Okay, it is showing live. Hi there. Right. Trading recap day 82 of my demo trading. Um, let's get it going. Right. My system is there. Okay. So doing this demo recap to show you how it is gonna be how it is demo trading and then going live. And actually, after months of practicing and missing a lot of great moves in the market, obviously, you know, everyone knows what happened. People made millions, and I was just doing nothing. I was nothing. I was practicing in demo, freaking demo for so many months when the market was going berserk. So yeah, so I was doing that. The good news is that I just transferred $30,000 to Lightspeed Broker in the US, and within the next couple of days I should have my account funded, and within 24 hours of when the wire hits their accounts, the accounting department, my system should be live and ready to trade. I'm very excited. When I was doing a transfer, it was quite stressful because it's becoming very real, especially after such a long time waiting. So the risk will be real again. And my last memories of trading with live money is not a good one because I lost quite a bit in the past. So it will be very exciting and scary at the same time to see whether what I've learned, what I practiced is going to work in the live system. Obviously, I'm not trying to. It's not exciting what I'm doing really because I'm trading with really small amounts, but that's how I want to do. That's why I want to do it. I don't want to blow up. So I'm gonna start small and hopefully be able to increase my share size that I'll be trading with. But yeah, I want to take it slow, and I'm not a gambler type. Basically, I don't like losing money. I'm quite what's the not derogatory way of saying it. I'm not like I don't like to waste money. So yeah, that's the thing. So I hope I'll be profitable from day one. Let's see. But I don't think anyone likes losing money, but I don't like it a lot. So we'll see how it goes. Obviously, with trading, you have to take the risk to make money. So I kind of sign up for that, and I have to take those losses with a straight face. So we'll see how it goes. But within a couple of days, I'll be trading with the live account, which is great. So let's just do a quick recap. As you can see over here on the left of the screen, these are my winners, no losers somehow. And that's how I want to see it when I start live trading. Jimmy, I'm not counting. I was like, let's just have a look at Jimmy, where I took my position. So it was very good one. Like GME in demo, I'm like hardly ever losing money. So I would love to be able to trade that in live and have the same results. But yeah, that's demo for you. Trading, show executions. Look at this. Oh, I don't. It doesn't show. I just changed this bloody thing. What I want to point out, was it on hourly? Yeah, on hourly. So look at this triangle. I kind of like those triangles. So there was the consolidation. Let me just move this thing. Delete. So I was looking at it and waiting. I had it on my chart on the other screen, and I was looking what's going to happen to it. I was still quite late on that breakdown because I thought, oh, should I trade it if I'm not, including it in my spreadsheet. But I took this trade at this level, thought, oh, okay, I'm going to risk it. And now it's even going lower. That's on hourly, right? That's hourly. So I could see this consolidation here, this tightening here, and I was waiting for the breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. When it started breaking down to the downside, I sold 100 shares. So I took a position here. It went down all the way here, and then it was reversing back, just playing around those levels, those moving averages and VWAP, and I just didn't want to keep it, and I closed it. But look what happens when you actually are okay with holding the shares, right? Look at this. I should have been adding to my position rather than selling them, right? So look how beautiful this is. It sold off nicely after breaking that resistance, support line. So that's GME for you. So I was looking at, when it was at this level, I was looking at the 3,000 even with 100 shares only, because of how big those moves are. So GME I'm excluding obviously, and then SGLB. So I overtraded it with my $10 profit staking. This is my technique to grow my account. I think the slowest way possible, the most painful way, I guess. But that's what I've been practicing. That's what I kind of figured works for me at this point. Let's see how it goes, right? I've done like way too many trades. But it was going up. Hold on. Let's just go back to 1 minute, because that hourly doesn't make much sense. So I was kind of attacking it whenever it was strong, and then I took some bounces, right? So reversals. I tried some. So I captured it here, just sold here. Captured it there, sold there. Like you can see, I was quite big on those reversals as well. I wasn't very positive on it being super strong on the way up. So over here, already kind of seeing these lower highs, I wasn't trusting it, and I missed some of the moves down to go for reversal, but some of them I just took quick profit, and I'm not touching. Like I get the bounce, and I don't know how high it's gonna go. I just take my $10 and walk away. I didn't see that one coming. I had my levels drawn, but I had to restart the charts, and then all my lines disappeared. So yeah, more over here. So overall, well, I didn't expect it to be this good, because I thought I would just make money for paying for the trading. But at the end, I checked it. I put the data excluding GME. I still made some money, like $160, for sitting in front of the screen at home, just doing nothing, nothing too boring. It's actually exciting for me at this point, with so far. So 347. So look, this is 24,000 shares. That's a lot of trading. 250 executions. That's a lot. And look, I paid more in commissions than I made. So that's a big question mark for me, right? That this technique is not really great, but if I can hold on to it for long enough, it will still make my account grow. I started in January, because I wasn't. If you look over here, this is my what is cumulative. I was losing money when I went over the surface, right? I started making money. Boom, big drawdown. I was trading much bigger share size here, but then after looking at the chart, putting all this data here, in that chart, I realized, okay, I have to cut my losses. So since January 1st, I said I will apply that. Obviously, it was a good time, because the last, I think until February, towards the second half of February was really good. The markets were going crazy. So from being, where is it? January 1st, from being over $3,000 down, I was able to dig myself out slowly, taking sensible losses. Obviously, not every day was positive, so I was able to dig myself out slowly but surely, right? And then once I broke that you know, what you call it, neutral level, like the zero level. Then I started making profits, and I know it's already March, but you know, just for playing around, if I could take $5,700, that'd be great. Obviously, there are taxes involved and everything, but eventually my goal is to trade bigger size, and obviously that will, if I trade double the size, which is 200 shares per trade, that could be as well $10,000. So that's okay. And then obviously I can go, I can increase that share size to thousands. Obviously, then it might be harder with the slippage and stuff, but at that point I might be already much better at the entries and everything else. I will see things that I don't see at this point to get better edge. So yeah, overall, green day. Last red day was I think Thursday. I didn't trade on Friday, whatever that day was. I don't know. But yeah, I still have green days and reasonably small losing days. So that's my stats from 1st of January, and you can see clearly here that the greens, you know, outnumber the red days, and they're usually bigger. Some of the red days are like this one at the beginning was quite big, but I'm kind of trying to keep them very small. So kind of maybe see it better now with see when the market is strong, when the stock is really good for entry. Otherwise, I just maybe probe it a little bit, and then if I don't see the results, I step away and don't trade as much. Obviously, it's harder done than said, or said than done. It's easier said than done. Easier said than done. But that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, that's that. I made a mistake today of averaging down, and I was rewarded for it. And I made a note in my notes. I made a note in my notes that it was a bad thing. I said, one mistake is averaging down to 200 shares when stock dropped against me. And I used to average down to 300, 400, 500 shares when the trade was going against me, right, from my entry. And now I'm trying to cut those averages down. And today I was caught in one, and then it sold off, and I added another 100 shares. And I wasn't planning to add any more. I was gonna close it, but it bounced nicely, and I closed it for a profit. So I was rewarded for not applying the right strategy. So yeah, I shouldn't have been. I should have lost some money on that. But sometimes you get rewarded in the markets for the wrong practice. So it's something to keep in mind. So I'm really unhappy about that, because I'm really trying to cut those averaging down situations. Because when you take the loss, usually it's a big one. Especially that with me trading so many shares, you know, it's so easy to go into a loss, because those couple hundred shares, if the stock is really selling off, I'll see hundreds of dollars very quickly going against me. And when I make, you know, in a day, like I did today, $161, right? That's not a good practice. So I have to really cut those down, because it's a bad habit. So that's that. Yeah, it's late in the evening, so I'll cut this this stream, and soon you'll see me trading live. That's unbelievable. So I'm really glad I'm making those videos, because it also, like, just verbalizing it, like just talking about it for me as well, maybe helps me put my thoughts in order, and just talk about these things, the right things to do, and yeah, maybe it's good for me as well. So yeah, let's see how those things will work out in the live account pretty soon. So yeah, I'll end this now. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow. All right, bye bye.